Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about coping with mental health challenges such as anxiety, depression, and thoughts of suicide. These are serious issues that affect many of us, and finding ways to cope is more important than ever. First, let's talk about anxiety. Anxiety can feel overwhelming, but managing it is possible. Start by focusing on your breath. Practice deep slow breaths to help calm your mind and body. Mindfulness and meditation are also powerful tools. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Depression can make you feel like you're in a deep pit that you can't climb out of. One step to manage these feelings is to set small, achievable goals each day. Whether it's taking a short walk or simply getting out of bed, small accomplishment can lead to big changes over time. You're dealing with thoughts of suicide. It's crucial to seek help immediately. Talk to someone you trust, a friend, family member, or mental health professional. Remember, you are not alone. There are people who want to support. Throughout your journey, keep a journal. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can be therapeutic outlet and help you gain better insight into your mental state. Lastly, never underestimate the power of professional help. Therapists and counselors are trained to guide your thoughts, your emotion, and help you develop coping strategies to tolerate specifically for you. Dealing with mental health issues is a process, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Reach out, speak up, and take action toward a healthy mind. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Thank you for watching and take care. Resources, please check the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out for help.